Hey Mike, how you doing?
I'm fine, John. How are you? Did you only just get up?
Yeah, I went to the union last night. You know, Friday night and all that. Yeah. Right. You wouldn't have happened to borrow any of my milk, would you?
No, sorry, John.
You wouldn't know of anyone who had.
No, sorry.
Okay.
You can borrow some of mine if you like.
Oh really? That would be great, thanks mate.
But it'll cost you.
Joking, right?
No, not really. But we can sort that out later.
It's all gone. Right, you all know why I brought you here today.
Why are you standing?
Because there's no seat.
There's a seat right there.
Yeah, well, I prefer to stand, okay? I did bring you here for a reason. Someone among us has been stealing milk.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. You brought us here because someone is stealing milk.
I have an essay to write, dude.
Yeah, seriously, dude. I've got laundry to do.
You never do laundry.
Therefore, why I have to do laundry. This is so childish.
Now I can't have cereal!
See?
Yeah, well, how do you know it was one of us?
You're awfully quick to ask.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Whatever you think that I think that you think that that's supposed to mean.
Oh, shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. You shut up.
You shut up. You shut up. Everybody shut up.
How do I know it was one of us? Because of this. Our college card. You can't get into the flat, even the building, without one of these. To get into the kitchen, the culprit would have needed one of these.
The culprit?
The milkman.
My, he's real?
Real.
Yeah, he steals milk.
What?
I've heard of him before. At some of the universities up north. He used to be a man, they say. A man with a greed, a hunger for milk so strong that it turned him into an evangelical harbinger of doom. His obsession drives him across the country, into every home and every fridge. He will not rest until he has finished every bottle of milk, down to the very dregs.
Oh, turn the lamp off.
You think this is him?
Well, who else could it be? The milkman.
There is no milkman! This is just one guy trying to get the better of us.
This is ridiculous.
What's the big deal?
It's only milk.
It's more than just milk. It's calcium
Calm
and
down,
vitamins.
Mike, calm down. Sure, it's just milk now. Where's it stop? Where's it end? What's next? Cereal? Fish fingers? Frozen pizza?
Oh, frozen pizza.
This will get bigger and bigger until we solve it.
So this is some kind of investigation?
No.
Well, it should be. I saw you in the kitchen this morning. What were you doing there?
Cooking. That's what we do there, Mike.
Yeah, ha, very funny. Where were you?
I had lectures.
It's a Wednesday. You don't have lectures on a Wednesday.
Yeah, well, I was busy.
You wouldn't have happened to have been busy near the milk now, would you?
Hey, where's Adam?
Adam's never here.
True.
I was at Gary's. Oh my god, really? Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my God. Where were you?
Let's not do this.
Hey, look at ourselves. You see what this is doing to us? Whoever's doing this has to stop.
Oh, would you listen to yourself? For all we know, it could be you who's nicking the damn milk.
Yeah, Mr. 3 bowls of Cocoa Pops.
Metabolism, okay?
Yeah, whatever. I don't have time for this. I can look after my own milk.
You just keep an eye on your own bottle.
I'm watching you, Dave.
Wait. On. Guys, come on, this is important. Phil, come on. Guys, come on, this is important.